morning, y'all. We starting the day out and about. I think we doing our art run today. And
we was late for breakfast.
Yeah, y'all was late for breakfast.
No,
Daddy,
we wasn't.
Daddy went down for breakfast though.
You went down for breakfast.
Yeah, I went down, but everybody else was late. But yeah, we about to head out. Jessica in her European garb today, looking real European-ish. She got the European boots on.
I wear this at home.
Got it. Grayson, just Grayson. But we about to head out. Jessica done found her Starbucks. She ain't used to the European style of iced lattes and stuff like that. It'd be funny. It'd be funny if the Starbucks like that though.
It don't have an all latte.
They don't know.
So I'm gonna get
The ube matcha or the ube latte, vanilla latte, ube vanilla latte. But yeah, they got cheesecake and cake at the Starbucks. Look like it's fresh.
They got cookies on. They have donuts. You wanna
Oh, watch out.
you want a pink donut?
Grayson got his morning donut from Starbucks. No cake pops here, but they do got cheesecake, strawberry cheesecake. Mommy got ham and cheese. We waiting for our drinks. Jessica got her ice. What? Strawberry acai. Got my ube latte matcha.
I ate mine already.
And Grayson ate his, so he about to get his. What's that? Apple juice?
Orange juice.
Orange juice. Yummy. So I guess we can go through here. All right, y'all. We're on our way to the subway. I think we're kind of working backwards, but we might start off because one station is kind of two stations. But I guess is this the mall you was talking about? I think we're about to walk through the mall just for a little bit. Because I don't know where this GPS got us going. But I guess he got us going the right way. But I'm going to flip it around. You said this is the mall?
I think it's part of.
Or part of it? I don't know if I know where we're going, y'all. I think there's a way maybe out. I don't know. We'll see. Alright, we got sidetracked. Some reason that GPS put me in the mall and then we was in the parking garage. But
So that people can see them.
we found the train station. We're gonna go hop in and start getting some of the artwork. I think it's like 12 stations, 11 stations. One of them gonna get skipped because you're supposed to go to the library, but the library is closed. But we found T Central. But I think right now we're entering T Central.
That's the train.
We're entering that on the blue side rather than the other side.
The train.
But we'll see. So we're starting off at our first station. This one is not as scenic, even though
Don't fall down there
Yeah.
because there's a train track and you might fall.
Exactly, Grace. But this one's not as scenic. It's the same station as the last station that we're gonna go to, but this is just a different section of it. But we're gonna hop on and get to the stadium station. Okay, so we're at our first station. which is the stadium station, and I'm gonna give y'all some views of the station here. Some more on the other end. We're gonna keep going north to the next stop. All right, we at the next stop here. I'm gonna slaughter that name, but the Royal Institute of Technology is inspired by this station here. So, got more artwork here. So we're gonna go on. Yeah. So we are at the next station. We're gonna get some views over here. We're gonna take some views of everything here, Grayson. Yeah.
I think this was a timeline or something.
So this was the original artwork that I was looking for in T Central. We're switching stops to get on the green line. Yeah, so this is what we was originally looking for in T Central. So T Central must got multiple parks. All right, we are at this station. This is the Holder Gate, but really all the stuff is on the ceiling. On here. Alright, we at the next station. This is supposed to be more of a Mario theme here. We got Pac-Man. We got Mario. You like this?
There's a bridge up there.
Yeah. All right. We got to take the walkway. But we are on our next stop. This is, I'm going to be slaughtering these names, so I'm probably just going to tag them up here. But a little bit of art in the walkway. But there's supposed to be some robot stuff, and you also have the boat that's down here. The ship is right down here at this end, so. I'm getting the video. This is the ship station. This is the name of the station, but I'm not going to slaughter it right now. A shipwreck. I think we may have missed a. We are at next stop. I was like stop number, I don't know, number 9. But let me get y'all some views of this too as well. Mm-mm.
What? These are old houses.
The times that are
We took a little intermission because Dada got to use the restroom. Yeah, right. And you're going to use it too, as well, Grayson. Yes. Yep. And yeah, we found this little, like a little shopping area. Give y'all a little view. So this is the next stop, and they said that if it looked like kids drew it, it's true. Because actually kids drew everything in this station. So Third to last stop here. Got boots on the ceiling. Okay, we are into the line. This is second to last stop. Ugh. We could probably get back on that one. Or maybe we do gotta get on that one. Alright, we did it, y'all. We on the last one.
The last stop.
We're gonna see how Jessica edit up these videos. She's gonna add some music to it or what?
This gonna be like 10 videos.
So we made it to the last stop, T Central, and I don't know if I got it all the other night, but basically blue and white, my favorite color. Just want to give y'all a view.
Where we are going? What say you want?
Grayson. Alright, we are out of the treacherous train station into Central Station area. We're about to go eat.
And those trains go fast in that area.
They go fast.
Yeah.
Yeah. We about to go to the taco bar. We're gonna see how the Eastern world do tacos. I think tacos more of a Western world type thing. Over. You think it's gonna be plain? But we're gonna see how they do it over here, and go from there. We already had all the Swedish meatballs and everything. We might be going to what, the IKEA jank later? It's literally an IKEA restaurant, y'all. You ain't got no IKEA, but we got an IKEA restaurant. So we'll see.
I think they have regular stuff here too. I'm not sure.
Got regular stuff, but we'll see. Yeah, I'm gonna check back in with y'all. Jessica got her nachos. Grayson got his tacos.
These cheese look
We got our apple spritz.
What about Chipotle?
A European trip is not complete without us stopping past a H&M.
Mommy.
Well, I think we didn't go past H&M in
Sliders
Portugal, but we in here now. Let's see what they got going on. What Jessica gonna get. Look at Grayson trying to get Lightning McQueen, Marvel, Hot Wheels socks, Minecraft. He trying to get everything. Alright, we back at it. Headed to the movie theater. This is another station we ain't stop at, but I seen it coming. But what we going to see, Grayson? Mario Galaxy in Sweden. Now we're going to look at it in English though. Okay. So Jessica looking at the history on this. I guess this is a historic film cinema. But I'm about to head on in. Alright, we walked around the building, but this thing is confusing. I think we found our way in. We'll see. Yeah, that's it. Hopefully. How you like the movie, Grace?
Good.
It was good?
Yeah.
How mommy like it? I think she was asleep. She was cozy over there. I really liked the movie.
Me too.
Grayson liked the movie.
Okay.
Anyway, guys, the Mario movie, that was actually real good. It has some nostalgic characters in there that's not really quite part of the Mario universe, but in the Nintendo universe that was in there. If y'all get a chance to go check it out, especially if you grew up playing Nintendo. Grayson really liked it. There were some parts, obviously, he didn't know, like barrel roll, which some of the people will probably know if you know what I'm talking about. But I see that they coming out with the Mortal Kombat May 5th, and I did not know that they dropped the trailer for it, so I'm gonna have to go check it out. Coming out with Mortal Kombat 2, and I think that's Johnny Cage in the middle. Liu Kang. Do we got Scorpion? Actually, Kung Lao. That goes Scorpion. We got new Saibot in there. Oh yeah, that one's gonna be pretty good. So we in another train station, and I think this one is like a lily pond water scene, and they got some movie props in here too as well, which I'm gonna show y'all. But this is what's on the floor here. I don't know what that translates to be. Hey. So we ended the night at, we're gonna go to Max Burger tonight. But we walked past this structure earlier and didn't realize it lights up. But wanted to come back through. And I think that's it for today, huh? Y'all ain't got to see Max Burger. We're gonna take it on down. What up? We are back at it today. We about to go to the photo museum, and I think are we still going on the boat?
Probably not gonna make the boat. The last one's at 2 o'clock.
No, probably won't make the boat. But we're going to eat, going to the museum, and then I think it's just vibes for the rest of the day. It's a chill day. It's raining, snow, stuff like that. But yeah.
Also, there's construction down to the subway. Also, there's construction on the escalator.
There y'all go. Grayson.
Construction on the escalator.
First they're gonna move the suite and do their construction.
Do their construction.
Construction
But
again.
yeah, we about to go ahead and head
I
out.
didn't know there was construction.
Hop on
in
this
Sweden.
Yeah.
tunnelbana and make our way over to the photograph museum. We were looking at some other museums, but some of that stuff seemed reminiscent of what was back home. So we're gonna look at, maybe we'll get some history and things like that of the city, and if there's anything else that's over there we might find, then we might just go ahead and go. But yeah, we'll check back in with y'all once we get to the museum. Rainy day today, but we on our way to the photograph museum. We was out in Old Town on the first vlog. That's where we coming from. Oh, snowing now. You getting all, there go Grayson with the Hulk.
Oh no,
But
the Hulk.
yeah, we walking in this rainy weather. After transversing another wintry tundra, we done finally made it to the photograph museum. And we're gonna go check it out. It says entrance left. Entrance to the left. Woo.
The black one is already.
So on the beach.
The black one is still in. Mommy tree.
Yeah. All right, y'all. We are back. I keep on saying in town, but technically, we always been in town. But we headed to a ramen spot now. The photograph museum was actually very good. Unique pictures. There was one artist that had a lot of unique pictures. They had real good pictures, and they had some books. That book was expensive as I don't know what, but yeah, very unique pictures and photos and everything that was in there. I highly suggest y'all ever in there in Stockholm to go check out the museum. But we are headed to get some ramen, and I think this is the street that we turn on. Yeah, I think so. So we'll check back in with y'all. We have arrived to the ramen spot. Let's see what it's hitting on. Well, ramen place we went to is closed. The other place is too far. So we're back at the food hall. We're gonna see what we can find in there. There might be a good eat. And probably still get some more baked goods from the same spot. All right. So we found a spot to go to, but I think the food hall closed at 5. We about to be ish out of luck today
Everyone was in
when it
here.
comes down to everything. It look like this area dead too.
Let's just go to
So we seen this place called BIM
Mommy.
that we're gonna see if we can check out.
We can't go there, then about to get back on the train. Oh yeah.
Everything gonna be in T Central. Why? So we're gonna see if this place open. They look like they might be closed. BIM is closed. Everything closed for the holiday, huh? Everything. That's what we were looking at, y'all. But they closed. The candy place open.
Because of the holiday.
Yeah.
I don't know. We about to be out of luck today. Hold on. What the?
Hey, you got his
Yeah, I know.
cars,
I'm skipping around these food stuff. Everything was closed that we tried to go to.
hopefully this other
So-
place is open, but I gotta go to
So,
H&M.
so now we found a ramen spot that was only like what 2 minutes away.
Yes.
But wow, looking at the stuff that we went and got in H&M, Grayson put back the socks that he picked out and grabbed another pair that was similar, but it was a different size. So now we gotta walk another 9 minutes to return these socks, and that's gonna make our walk probably
20 minutes.
20 minutes down, rather than just being a simple 3-minute walk. And then hopefully this ramen spot is open because everything kind of shut down. This is like an Easter long weekend. They have Fridays and Mondays off.
I'm not going back to Matt's Burger.
Hey, no
Matt's
Matt's
Burger.
The Matt's Burger wings is good.
Just last night.
Yeah, she got sick last night.
I didn't throw up, luckily, or nothing like that. But I just felt super. I'm thinking because I don't usually eat that late.
Yeah.
So I think it just didn't sit right on my stomach.
But the Matt's Burger wings was good. The
I
burger
told you
was
the
okay.
wings was good.
The burger was okay,
I
but
seen this other guy in there. He was sitting there. He was eating them wings. I said, "Them wings is good."
the wings was good. Yeah. If I
You
were to
don't
get,
even need no sauce.
if I were to get a burger, I might try like another spot because a burger was like that. Oh, wrong floor. Yeah.
Hey guys.
Hey. All right, let's see if this open. They open. All right. So they are open. And they packed. So let's see, there's seats right here in the front. We've been on this fantastic voyage for ramen. And it was one.
I told you about this one. I don't know what happened. I was like a yellow sign when we came out of the
It just won't showing up.
No, and then it kept taking us to the other. We were on the other side of the metro.
Yeah,
Right here.
right here. Literally. A couple of footsteps from the hotel room.
I'm glad we ain't getting no train because I'm mad.
Because the train
So,
goes to the top place.
the menu. Just gonna get the miso chili. I'm gonna get shoyu. And I think I'm gonna do. And they got sea fennel. Yeah. I'm getting some gyozo and kimchi. And I might get one of these mochis for dessert. Matcha mochi.
Sad.
She's getting a Coca-Cola.
The spritz here is just. You gotta use your free drink. Is it truly free drink or is it?
It's just $10. It's
$10.
like $10, or really like $9 off. But I don't know. I might go get another drink at the hotel. Grayson, how you feel about going home tomorrow?
Yeah.
You feel good?
Yeah.
He worried about the wrong thing.
Yeah, he want to go home so he can go do him.
Do
That's
him.
What it is.
But you ain't gonna do you for one day. You back in school. Damn, this look good, y'all. Jessica done spiced up. She ain't even tried it. You even tried before you even do it? Because that J was already spicy. Alright. You remember how that chili oil in the hotel was? That drink, you just add a little bit. That just spicy, I don't know what. But we about to dig in. to go up the street to get this. Crazy, right? We are good. We got our ramen. The only other thing for the parents would be DESSERT. You said something what?
Where we,
By the taco thing?
yeah.
Yeah, if it's something there, we should be good. But we gotta go get Grayson some taco. He want taco bar again. That's more his speed. Boy, we done got some workout in now. This the thing about here.
He about to go to swim
Yeah.
and kill it.
This, he got that leg workout, right?
Because then you can walk that way, go down the steps and cut across.
Yeah.
But yeah,
But-
his legs, he gonna get to swim. He gonna be killing it in swim.
Yeah. But one thing about I can say about Stockholm, it's walking. Yes, it could be a lot of walking because where you need to go, but it's not as bad as
It's mostly
Portugal.
flat, yeah.
It's not. Portugal is super hilly.
Oh, I had blisters on my feet.
Yeah, I had blisters on my feet too out in Portugal. That stuff was crazy. Like there's hills here and there. It's a lot of walking, but it's not as bad. And that's the thing too. Like a lot of the metro, it hit places here. It wasn't like that in Portugal, for real. I mean, you got the tram. It kind of went everywhere on the main areas. But man, them hills were deadly in Portugal. Trust. But like I said, we about to hit this taco bar for Grayson. Yep, we go down here and we're gonna make a right. And we may not check back in with y'all later. Maybe we get the word that I spelled out earlier. But yeah, we're gonna make a. She said, "See y'all in the next vlog." She shut it down. All right, let's close out. We going right.